Objective of the video: to introduce the course, Advanced Excel, key learnings from the video. This course is for the people who want to learn advanced levels of Microsoft Excel. Today is the era of advancement and competition. You have to bring advancement in your processes if you want to grow your business. Latest technologies increase efficiency and productivity of manpower. Golden statement: your manpower will make you a superpower. Excel is one of the magical tools which helps you to grow your business. 8. Benefits of Microsoft Excel. I. Boosts productivity. You can complete your tasks efficiently and timely with the help of Advanced Excel. E. Performs advanced calculation every day. A business has to perform thousands of calculations for sales, revenue, marketing, payroll, etc. You can easily perform these complex calculations with the help of Advanced Excel. E. Data visualization and advanced charts. You can analyze information with the help of graphs and charts in Advanced Excel. You can convert data into visually appealing statistics, which makes it easy to understand. IV. Offers a powerful data analysis tool. Excel is a unique spreadsheet which provides filtering, sorting, and searching tools. You can organize and analyze data easily with the help of Excel tables, pivot tables, and graphs in MS Excel. We sharpen the skill set of employees. Many departmental functions and operations become easy after learning advanced level of Excel. Though Excel for Business course topics: I. Sparkline Z. What if functions: E. Lookup if. Index function: V. Data validation and indirect function: V. Report building exercise: V. Offset functions: V. Creation with pivot tables and charts: X. Advanced filters: X. Advanced sorting: She. Data imports: I. Query editor: She. Macros: 3. Excel for Business Professor Mr. Amit Goyal. Mr. Goyal is an expert in business intelligence and data analysis. He has an experience of more than 10 years.